So now we are at Sophie's place, one of my friends from uni, and she has a really nice place. This is like really Tumblr feel. It's so cool. It's really cozy in here, and I'm like, I should utilize my apartment better because the way this is set up is so aesthetically pleasing. And yeah, now we're baking. So this is Juliana.
Hi.
She's making. God. What are you making?
I'm making a mess.
How much?
350. I'm making vanilla kipfel. It's
And what are you making, Rainy?
Just take 100 grams more flour. I don't know how it's called.
Almond paste. Almond paste cake dough. Cake dough.
Yeah, I'm making Austrian cookie that has also persisted along in German tradition.
Oh.
And I'm quite excited. I'm actually very bad at baking.
She said she needs 350 and this is just 200, but it's more.
Let's just see how it works.
You look so good with the red lipstick on that.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. It's very Christmas.
Yes. We're listening to like Christmas music, and we're baking, and I bought some lava cake just in case that I will fail on baking. I don't cook a lot, but I like baking when it's with friends and with other people.
Let's do teaspoons.
Now I'm gonna make some cookies, chocolate cookies. So the ingredients that I need is flour. So we got some flour here, and we got some chocolate spread. It's like sort of, we couldn't find Nutella, so this is like, if you have Nutella then you can use that. And then we have 1 egg, and then all of that mixed will make the dough for the cookies, for the chocolate cookies. So I just need a place to put you guys. Oh, it's been a long time since I baked. That's not good. The whole cup?
Yeah, 1 whole cup. Do you want me to help you?
Sure, I have no idea how to make these. Oh,
I'm done.
Okay, I think you can help me.
You're done? Okay, so yeah, I would fill it up to the half cup. I think make sure sugar's like 150
by
115? What? 150? Oh, divide by 3? Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Why do you
Yeah?
by 3?
Yeah.
Because I need half.
dry first, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, can you
That's just
pour 116?
And then
where's the
I'm gonna move this.
Like there. But you have to pour it
We
over
got
the
a
sink.
cup of flour. Whoa. Cup of flour, 1 egg. Where did you do?
110.
This is Sophie. She's also from Germany.
Okay.
Why is this not the right?
Is that same because the butter was too cold? Yeah.
I'm just gonna. Could you give me paper, Rainy? It's right next to you.
You can put it in there.
Okay.
Then I'll throw it right away later.
Put more. Furchtbar. Ich hab schon gleich am Anfang einen Fehler gemacht.
Oh. Just made a mess.
Okay, I need more butter than was actually said because I did it wrong.
Your fingers are like all
crumbly.
Yeah. It's like, yeah, I'm baking everybody, and then it's like, it's all like.
I suck at baking. I always like put like measurements how I feel like it instead of like following the recipe, and that's very wrong.
Do you want to mix it?
Yes.
Not always.
So I think we'll start with this much, and then we'll see if it needs more.
Strawberries. They were €4, but I was like, it's girls' night, so it's fine.
They were €4.
Yeah, but my boyfriend is always like, no, don't buy them, it's so expensive, blah blah blah. And I'm like, it's girls' night, so it's fine, it's fine.
I think I got flour in it.
So now just mixing. Oh my god, it's so weird that you don't have like actual baking things, and it's so weird that I have a lot of baking stuff and I never bake.
I do have like a
Oh yeah, like
the
the
thing for
whisper?
it, but I think this is too hard to whisk. with
Yeah,
the
for sure.
Yeah.
It's just too sticky.
Sugar. That's a lot of sugar.
Yeah, and now
You
I
don't
need to put more butter
liquid,
in.
or
No,
I did it
I don't
wrong.
think so. It's gonna be like a very hard.
What did you do wrong?
Yeah. Your background music?
Yeah, this background music because it's like
Is it loud?
Yeah, maybe it's like too.
Turn it off a bit.
Is my chewing too loud?
Probably.
Everything you do is too loud.
I'll cut that out.
Please don't.
It shows life, Alissa.
Yeah.
It smells so good. Smells chocolate.
This
So
one.
this is the progress so far.
Obviously, everything that's like hazelnut spread smells good. Oh, there's gonna be a wine!
So you're waiting for this to...
Oh, the apartment is very clean.
What's chocolate?
Very good job. It's also very small. I actually like it. Like the apartment that I lived before in Norway was also as big as this, but I had like two, like a big loft. Like my bedroom was like in a loft.
Oh.
Yeah, like an annex. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, I had the most amazing couch. I could like sleep on it. It was so good.
It is.
Okay, I've never made cookies like these before. But
Does it need more chocolate?
I think so because it just
Do you
looks
want
very
to
dry.
already make lava cakes? Like
Yes.
it's a pre
Yes.
cookie snack?
Yeah,
You can do this if you want.
Oh, I'm excited for these. Like these look so good. Like €4, they look good. Well, they better look good, but today is the 21st of November. Må du ha iPhone X eller kan du kjøpe iPhone X?
What? She just spoke in her own chat. Oh.
Yeah.
I was just like...
Okay.
Yeah, because my sister, she works at like a electronic store, so she knows all of the Black Friday deals and stuff.
Ah, okay.
And then she's like, yeah, do you need iPhone X or like do you need iPhone XS or
I don't need one. I would
I
like
want
one.
one.
Yeah, but
Oh,
like
are you getting one?
yeah, but yeah, I was thinking about the iPhone XS. But
this
I'm
one?
not sure.
How much
Yeah,
does it
this one.
cost?
Like
1,200.
Yeah, 1,200.
But with Black
Euro?
Friday, it's
Might be cheaper. I don't know. That's why we're talking about it now.
Do you want to do it with your hands or should I?
You can do it. Why mess up my hands? No, it's because I have nails, so it's gonna stick on my
same.
nails. Oh, okay.
I want to
But
do
it's
it.
fine.
But
You
I
want
don't-
to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, so I was thinking about like buying one of these, like the cupboards, not Juliana. Buying one of these because
I'm not for sale.
before I moved to the Netherlands, my boyfriend and I already discussed it that we wanted those because we also have like a big studio apartment with no bedrooms, so this would be a good way to separate it. But right now I have no idea how we're gonna put it. I will show you guys the result when that comes. So I just made some tea. I also made some strawberries. I cut them up. I know I cut like the whole thing off, like the top, but whatever. They're super tasty. So we got lava cake and
I'm
this is
sorry,
my
I
first-
couldn't wait.
It's okay. We only need one. Oh, so good. It's like melted chocolate in the middle. Ah, perfect.
And top it off with a strawberry.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Set a timer to 12 minutes.
So now the cookies are done. They look cute. I don't know how they're gonna taste, but they're really hot right now, so we're not gonna eat them yet. But we also just had lava cake, as you guys saw. I love this. Hello.